So beloved, I trimmed my hair few days ago. Like, when you mean trim me, have you watched the video? And I retwist it. Now I'm about to take it down and see my new look. Please stay tuned and see. I don't want to waste your time. I want to tell you that the best gift you could give your hair, if you are really interested in healthy hair, especially when you are growing or getting mature in age, please, hair maintenance is very important. I can't stress enough over how damaged ends, rough end, damage our male hair. Look at that. I'm not yet done. I'm seeing the celeste already. Look at that. Look at that. You see what I'm saying? Oh my goodness. My people, you need to have a touch of this hair. You need to look at how my hair is not thick. Look at, from the root to the end. Look at that. This is what we are talking about. A healthy hair is not about the length. It's about the headiness. I can't believe I'm surviving this. The Lord is good. I can't believe I'm surviving this. This day that menopause should have been messing up my hair. I can't believe. Look at that. Look at that. I think I'll be posting this video before I post the one that the video where I actually trim my hair, because this one is going to be more shorter. That one is almost 1 hour and it's going to take eternity to edit. So I'll be posting this one. I'm done today. And if you want to know how I got this, like, oh my goodness, look at my hair. Look at my hair. Can you see this beauty? Look at my hair. Oh, the beauty of this trimming is manipulating your hair, washing your hair. It's like nothing is coming out, because that barrier ends is gone. Because that barrier ends that usually bring problem to the male hair strand is gone. Like, Jehovah, people, you see what I am saying? The Lord is good. Look at my hair. Look at it, because I love it, my hair. I'm so happy with what I am seeing. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my God. Jesus Christ of Nazareth, I did a great job. To be honest, I did a great job trimming this hair. Wow. I did a great job. Look at my diva hair. My diva look. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I don't have white powder in the house anymore. This is my first time trimming my hair myself. like really good train. This is my first time, and I'm pleased with the outcome. I'm pleased with it. Look. I'm pleased with it. I'm beautiful. I love it. Ah, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Look at my hair. Look at this. Look at that. All right. Look at that fluffiness. Like, are you like? Oh my goodness. I'll see you in my next one.